Hello and welcome back to Not a Watch Snob. I am your host, Bill, and today we have something that combines vintage style with a modern twist. A watch that is truly timeless. It all starts with a dream and a concept. A dream to create a watch that was recognizable in a sea of monotony. A watch that stood out for being true to its contemporary design, yet held roots in the classic design codes. A concept that was truly timeless. Designed by Mael Oberkampf, I'll stop swearing, who was an industrial designer from Switzerland, who over the past decade wanted to create something elegant and classic with a modern twist. Design is in this man's blood, so he created a watch that pays tribute to the old design with a modern contemporary style. He calls this design neo-vintage. This is the timeless Swiss watch, 001. The specs of this watch are as follows. This satin-finished watch is breathtaking, with bits of rose gold to accent this watch's unique characteristics. The case is 41mm, and it has a 12.8mm case thickness. The case is made out of stainless steel. As I mentioned, it is brushed. The dial features a domed sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating. The exterior of the dial is matte white with Arabic numerals. The center dial is guilloche finished with an exposed decorative hour wheel. The hands are rose gold, and the date window is located at the 6 o'clock position, which is also rose gold colored as well. The movement is an automatic Swiss technology production STP-1-11. It has a power reserve of 44 hours, and it is 28,800 beats per hour, with hacking and winding making this watch a true workhorse. The band is made out of calfskin leather. The pros and cons of this watch are as follows. Pro. I really love the attention to detail. The gold accents really pop against this brushed stainless steel case. Everything down to the lugs, to the finishing was obviously meticulously crafted, and it really gives a watch a strong presence. Con. I'm not a big fan of how they mark the date window. Date. It's like kind of how Dunkin' Donuts marks the coffee hot. Like, yeah, no, I understand that it's hot. But luckily this doesn't stand out too much. It's just when you get this watch under the microscope, you can really see that it says date, and at first glance you don't really see it. So, it's not that bad, but I just wish they didn't do it. Pro. The guilloche dial is stunning. It really grabs your attention and it makes your eyes want to come in for a closer look. The gold second hands really pop against it, and it really makes it, even in low light situations, really pop against that dial. Which brings us to our next point. Con. Now I know this is a dress watch, but I wish they put a little bit of lume on this watch. Now I get it. I'm weird. I wear watches to bed, but I do this so if I wake up in the middle of the night, I can calculate how much more shut-eye I get before I have to wake up. I mean, okay, I don't think I'm that weird, guys. Alright, but a little bit of lume goes a long way, so I wish they put even the slightest bit of lume on the hour and minute hand. That would make it a little bit better in my book. Pro. The crown is absolutely incredible. Hands down one of the best crowns I have ever seen. I mean, the attention to detail is far none from any other watches I've ever reviewed. I mean, the outer black PVD to their logo with the rose gold center, it's just absolutely perfect. Like I've mentioned, probably one of the best crowns I've ever reviewed. Con. I wish the case back was an open case back so we could really see that beautiful Swiss-made movement, but then again, I know I'm just being nitpicky. I'm a sucker for open case backs. However, this case back's not really that bad. They have their logo engraved on it. They have all the specs on the watch, which it really is nice. I'm more of a fan of the open case backs, especially on a dress watch. I think it would add so much more to this watch. Pro. I love the exposed hour wheel. I guess it kind of makes up for the exposed case back. The exposed hour wheel in the middle with their logo really pops against that guilloche dial, like I mentioned. It gives this watch a unique and distinct look, and I think it makes this watch really stand out from the crowd. As I've mentioned, their attention to detail is on point, and it's just an incredible watch for the money. And finally, we're going to end on a pro. This calfskin band is extremely comfortable. The leather is very well built, it doesn't feel tacky or fake. It's just an overall amazing quality calfskin band. It's comfortable, it's obviously rugged and tough, and like I said, it's a true calfskin band. It's not genuine leather. You know what I'm talking about. All in all, this watch provides a lot of quality and reliability. A perfect blend of style and luxury without being a cookie-cutter clone of every other micro brand out there. And for $1,600 USD, you get Swiss precision and ingenuity on a true homage to the past and present with an overall well-built piece. So I think the price and value are pretty much there. Like I said, they really put a lot of attention to details into this watch. I mean, just look at those lugs with the gold accents as well as the gold hands. And as I mentioned, the beautiful, beautiful exposed hour wheel. It just makes this watch stand out in a crowd. If you would like to learn more about timeless Swiss watches, their link is in the description. And remember, my name is Bill. I'm not a watch snob, and neither are you. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and go ahead and give me a thumbs up on this video. Thank you. Enjoy.